Before using the bus, take the time to plan your journey ahead. You can check the timetable at the bus stop or on your phone on the bus app. You can put your arm out when you see your bus is approaching to signal him to stop.
Good afternoon, are you going to Hemel?
Yes, I am. That'll be £3, please.
I got my bus pass.
You may be eligible for a bus pass. It means you can use the bus for free, and your carer may as well. You should check with the council.
Okay, go sit down.
Thank you.
Keep your bag safely with you, not in the alley. You don't want anyone to trip over it. It is a good idea to sit near the driver to keep safe. Press the stop button well before your stop to notify the driver, but wait until the bus is still to stand up. Remember your bags.